Hi, CLAT aspirants. Seems like this time's CLAT was not very good. It's all right. You can always redeem yourself with the SLAT exam. So kindly watch this video till the end to know how to conquer this year's SLAT exam. I am Jessica from Tarkashastra, and this is the only video you need on SLAT 2024. All right, before we start the video, very important thing that we need to address. A lot of people have apprehensions towards Symbiosis Law School. They don't think it's good enough because it is a private college. But let me bust your myth real quick. It's a wonderful college. Okay, I know it's private, but the placements are almost as good as NLU's. Okay, they have amazing extracurriculars, amazing exchange programs, moot courts, all of that is amazing. Okay, this time's CLAT was not very good for a lot of students, so you can understand. Even SLAT is going to be very, very competitive this time. So how should you approach it? Very few days left for the first slot. Okay, the exam's happening in 2 slots, 13th and 15th of December. 13th is actually not too far away. Okay, so how should you then go about it? What are the things you must keep in mind? Do not go on a binging series and watch a million videos, okay? Don't waste your time there. इसी वीडियो को भले 2 times स्पीड पे देखो पर पूरा देखो because this is honestly the only video you need for SLAT 2024. So without wasting more time, let's begin. All right, the mode of exam is online, but you do get the option for marking it for review. All right, the other things that you need to keep in mind, the test duration is 60 minutes. Okay, there are 5 sections in this. Okay, 5 sections with 12 questions for each, okay? For 12 questions for English, 12 for GK, 12 for LR, 12 for AR. There's logical reasoning and there's analytical reasoning. There was no analytical reasoning for CLAT. So it's a completely new topic for CLAT aspirants. Okay, completely new topic. How to go about it? I'm going to help you with that. Don't worry. ठीक है, लीगल एप्टीट्यूड तो सेम ही रहेगा, जीके का स्कोप बदल जाएगा. ओके, क्या कैसे बदलेगा? विल लुक एट इट. ऑलराइट, 60 क्वेश्चन, 60 मार्क्स, ऑलमोस्ट 1 minute per question. So it seems doable. I know it seems doable, but it's not. It's not. Another thing, there is no negative marking. So, that's a wonderful plus point. All right, so people who are already prepared for CLAT, this is not much of a challenge. Okay, challenge kahan aayega? SLAT is not the only thing that you need to appear for to get yourself inside Symbiosis. After SLAT, there's WAT, which is written aptitude test. After WAT, there's PI, which is personal interview. So you see how they're going to be, sorting and funneling the crowd to get the creme de la creme of the applicants. So that's why the college is not too bad, especially the professors, all your classmates. They're going to be wonderful. It's going to be a wonderfully competitive school. Okay, so work hard. Try to get yourself into that college. All right, so it's not very hard for CLAT students. Okay, you just have to be very smart and strategic because you have almost 10 marks of, buffer. You have 10 buffer marks, okay? So you can skip or eliminate or, skip some questions. There are no negative marks, so I won't recommend skipping. But you can skip certain topics to study, okay? Because there's only very few days left. Okay, cutoff would usually go 48 to 50. You will get a call above 50 marks from the college. Okay, so no negative marking, maze karo. तुक्के लगाने हैं लगाओ. I know in my last video I said kindly do not make educated guess, but negative marking में कभी भी educated guess या तुक्के मत मारा करो. इसमें there's no negative marking, so have fun. Make as many tukkas as you want. Do whatever you like. Okay, I would recommend attempt all questions, even the ones you don't know. Leave those 5-10 minutes for tukkabazi only. Okay, last 5-10 minutes. Do not waste time in tukkabazi. Okay, do not waste time on tukkabasi because speed is an issue. It's a big issue. I know it looks doable, 60 minutes, 60 questions, 60 marks. So, easy. But it's not easy. It is not. You have RCs, you have so many other things that will demand more time. Quants will demand more time. AR will demand more time because in AR you might have to draw and solve it on rough paper. These questions will demand more time. So you have to be very strategic while planning your time. तुक्को के लिए last का 10 minute रखो. Okay, in those 10 questions, you can come back. Okay, there's an option for marking for review. You can mark those questions for review, come back, select an option in only the last few minutes. Even after that, you have some time, you must invest it in revising and everything else. But everything, those educated guesses should only be made at the end. Don't waste even a second on it. Okay? Analytical reasoning, again, it's a fresh topic for CLAT kids. You have never done blood relations. You have never done seating arrangement until and unless you've given ALET. Because ALET walo ke liye, this is a very familiar topic. But if you are a CLAT aspirant or a completely fresh aspirant, okay, of law, and you have not prepared for AR, start doing it. Okay, start preparing for blood relations and all of that. You know what? Let me help you with that. Let me give you specific topics you should prioritize for SLAT 2024. Let me help you with that. I mean, कहाँ जाओगे, ढूंढोगे, कौन से topic करना है? This is the only video you need to watch. ये लो. This is all you need to prepare for AR. Analytical reasoning. इतना prepare कर लो, you will score enough. ठीक है, I don't think analogy will take more than 30 minutes. Analogy, there is nothing much in analogy to study. Okay? Logical and mathematical analysis के लिए आपको थोड़े से math के topics करने पड़ेंगे जो आपने quants पहले से ही CLAT में किया हुआ है. You've already done this. Okay? This will not take long. Okay? This will not take very long. If you want videos on this, we will make it for you. Okay, we will make it for you. But first, I would recommend you to visit the topic yourself. If you want videos on anything specific, mango yaar, hak se mango. We will give it to you, but give valid demands. Okay, valid demand hona chahiye. Okay, visit these topics yourself. इस पे जय सर ने already video बनाया है, छोटा ही video है, go watch it. I don't think you will forget Silogs after that. Okay, this is a fresh topic, not for ALET kids though. Okay, this is everything you need for AR. Fatafat screenshot le lo. This is everything you need for LR, logical reasoning. Quickly take a screenshot. Quickly, don't watch any other video. This is all you need to know for your syllabus. Ye raha, English ka topic. Okay, everything relevant for English that you need to study. This is right here. This would be a fresh new topic. Again, if you want a video on this, ask for it. Just ask for it. Use that comment box for good and ask for it. All right? Others, you might have already done ye kiya hua hai, ye bhi kiya hua hai. All right? Vocab is again not something new for you. Synonyms, antonyms is similar to vocab. Foreign words and phrases, they can ask you some French words and Spanish words we use here, or they can ask you some legal jargons. So I would recommend you to visit certain important legal jargons and foreign words like vis-a-vis, que sera, sera. These are phrases that are not English. पर हम बोलते हैं, English language मैंने use कर दे, कि सरा सरा पे तो माधुरी दीक्षित का गाना भी है. Okay? This is everything for legal reasoning. Legal reasoning के इधर questions काफ़ी principle based आते हैं, so I recommend you revise all your legal theory again. Okay, last 2 days, I hope CLAT के बाद तुम लोग chill mode में ना चले गए हो. I hope the energy is still on. Okay, I hope you're still training your brain to function in a similar fashion because there's still so many exams you need to appear for. So don't go into the chill party mode. Okay, if you have no mocks to solve, kindly start revising your principles. Quickly take a screenshot. ठीक है, ये था legal reasoning. ये लो GK का भी, ठीक है, GK का at least this is minimum. This is minimum you must do. Okay, I recommend revising your entire GK journal that you have maintained. Okay, if you have not maintained, try to get a magazine, okay, of current affairs. Now this GK is more based on static GK, so revise your static GK more. Okay, 6 months ka GK, I would recommend focus on those last 6 months and these topics. Okay, quickly take a screenshot so we can move forward. Okay, now another very, very important trick is 60 minutes, okay. CLAT paper goes for around double of that time. Okay, this is only 60 minutes. Honestly, मैं बताऊँ तो time पता भी नहीं चलेगा कब निकल जाएगा. आँख पर, you know, just a blink of an eye and your 60 minutes are gone. That's how fast time passes in the SLAT exam. That is how quick the time goes in the SLAT exam. But still, if you are, you know, somebody with ADHD, like severe ADHD, because in this generation, this is such a common problem. Most of you have ADHD, so if you're getting bored, I would recommend use the switch rule. Keep switching. Solve a couple questions from math, you're super bored, solve a couple from GK, okay? Solve then some LR. If you're still bored, solve some English. Keep your brain stimulated. Don't let it go into that bore, you know, slope wala mode, okay? Keep it stimulated. Give it what it wants. Feed it. Whatever it wants, just give it. If it wants more fun, give it. Whatever section is fun for you, uske thode questions aake beech mein karte raho. So this does not sleep in the middle of the exam. Okay, now what to revise? Revise all the important pointers and your principles, legal reasoning, and all your math formulas. All of your math formulas should be revised. Okay, and for GK, you must revise last month of GK and obviously your journal that you have maintained for months. Okay, usse bhi fatafat revise kar lena, but focus more on static GK. What to study? I would recommend, instead of getting private mocks, okay, other institution mocks, because they don't make your SLAT paper. I recommend you to solve official SLAT paper if you can get your hands on it. If you can. It's a private exam, sometimes you can't get your hands on it. If you can, I would recommend to first solve previous year papers. Agar nahi mil raha hai, to you can solve the normal institution mocks, whatever you're getting, at least 3 to 4. But you will most definitely get SLAT questions, previous year questions. वो easily mil jayenge. So to assess the difficulty level, to assess the mentality of the SLAT committee, exam committee, kindly solve some previous year questions so you know how hard do I have to work towards or how chill should I be. Okay, what is the difficulty level that's going to be coming? Because difficulty level the same ही रहेगा. Okay, obviously CLAT was a bit, I know, CLAT थोड़ा हिला था इस बार, I understand, क्योंकि थोड़ी गुगलीज फेंकी गई थी आपकी तरफ. I know it was completely unanticipated, but redeem yourself with SLAT. No, इसलिए CLAT पे जो भी इस बार weaknesses थे, cover up for SLAT. Okay, make sure you don't commit those same mistakes in SLAT exam again. Okay. These are all your exam day instructions. I told you in the beginning you don't need to watch any other video. This is everything you need to know for your exam day. The exam will happen in the morning, 9 to 10. Okay, what time to reach, okay, what you must carry. Quickly take a screenshot. Quickly, don't read it here. Quickly take a screenshot because I want to move forward. Quickly, jaldi le le. ठीक है, क्या क्या उठाना है, ID proof and everything. You have it right here. Okay, no washroom break also. बस no washroom break, no mobile phones, nothing. ठीक है? Next, everything that you need to keep in mind on the day of your exam, on the time of your exam. Okay, don't get too carried away if the questions are easy. I told you SLAT will be relatively easy, but SLAT is also infamous for throwing a couple of googlies. Actually, all exams are these days. Almost all exams have been throwing googlies on the students' way because उनको पता है तुम लोग coaching वगैरह लगाने लगे हो, तो थोड़ा सा झटका देने के लिए ना they will throw and they might throw. So if they do, don't get too scared, and if it's easy, don't get too carried away. Try to give your 100% in both the situations. I told you before, अपने आप को already symbiosis में मत रखना 2 questions के बाद, या फिर पहले ही घर से भागने का plan बनाने लगना. No. The first 2 questions only determine the mood of your exam, not your career, not your college. Okay. Again, I told you, try to finish the paper in 15 minutes and then keep at least 5 to 8 minutes for doing your tukkabazi and maybe revising your questions that you have left for review later. Okay? Bas yaar, nahi, I don't want to waste your time because there is no time. 13th ko hai exam. Okay? It's not too far away. 15 वालों के लिए time है, एक advantage भी है. Because as soon as 13th paper happens, if you want, I'll make a quick video on 13th SLAT paper also. How was it? What topics you must prepare for on priority? Any googlies thrown or whatever, I will try to do that. But for 13th, you must pull your socks up. Not much time left. Okay? Work on priority basis, focus on smart work and not hard work. You have 10 marks of buffer, so focus how to get that 50 marks, okay? So focus on your weaknesses, but also don't forget your strengths, because the strengths will get you those 50 marks, okay? That's it. This was Jessica from Tarkashastra. Use the comment box if you need any more videos. Like it if you found it relevant, and please subscribe. Why not subscribe? Okay, because you are open to present your demands for whatever videos you want. So kindly subscribe to keep a check if the videos I want are being posted or not. Okay, we have a very special video for 1,000 subscribers as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers. So please let us get there. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it if you found relevant, or if you have any other friends who are also appearing for SLAT. This was Jessica from Tarkashastra, and this was the only, I promise, the only video you needed for SLAT 2024. So all the best.